At our 20th independence anniversary, we should rightly celebrate the progress we have made thus far. But with courage and humility, we should also reflect on our failings. And I mean us, Timorese leaders of all seasons, how we have failed the mothers and babies of this country. We must ask ourselves how at 20th anniversary of independence, the country of this size, with reasonably adequate financial resources, has half of our children living below the poverty line, more than adults, the highest neonatal mortality in the region, with every second child malnourished, this being the third highest child malnutrition rate in the world. It is simply unacceptable. But somehow, in the race to development, we left our children and mothers behind. Their care and needs from us, as the leaders and policy makers of this country, have been almost an afterthought when it comes to passing necessary legislations and allocating adequate government budget for the 42% of this country's population, our children. My plea to our government, parliament, and our development partners is let's work together, all without exception, government and opposition, Catholic Church and all other religious leaders, private sector, civil society, chefes de suco, to have a Timor-Leste where no child dies at birth and where every child is healthy, well-nourished, learning, and safe.
Apesar de uma diminuição significativa da pobreza, a pobreza multidimensional é ainda elevada, situando-se nos 45,8% e ainda mais elevada entre crianças. Tirar o nosso povo da pobreza extrema, da insegurança alimentar, da mortalidade neonatal, do raquitismo, da subnutrição infantil, da prestação de cuidados às crianças e às mães, são alguns dos desafios que estamos determinados a enfrentar de frente nos próximos 5 anos. Por esta razão, a desnutrição infantil e o acesso ao ensino pré-escolar são duas das nossas principais prioridades. Em colaboração com a Unicef, o Governo pretende implementar a política intersetorial de desenvolvimento da primeira infância para promover investimentos nos primeiros anos de vida, a fim de construir uma base sólida para o capital social e humano.
I believe that all the development partners present here and the government of Timor-Leste will support this vision to have a Timor-Leste where no child dies at birth and where every child is healthy, well-nourished, learning and safe. I pledge that I will do everything in my capacity to stand with you, Mr. Prime Minister, development partners in this endeavor.